Hi, kindergarten. How are you today? Today is L Day in our ABC countdown, and for L, we wanted to have lunch outside. So hopefully it warms up. It looks beautiful out there, but hopefully it warms up enough for us to be able to go outside and have a picnic. All right, well, friends, yesterday we talked about how it was going to be the very last day of April. So after April, we start a new month and we will be in the month of May. So right here it says May. This is our new May song, and I thought that I would show you a picture of the words to our song. So maybe you can follow along easier by following each word as we sing it. So this song is called May, but it goes to The Farmer in the Dell. You guys might know that tune, but this one is going to have different words to it, of course. Okay, so I will sing it once, and hopefully the more that we sing it throughout the month of May, you will begin to memorize our song and be able to sing along with me. All right. M-A-Y spells May, M-A-Y spells May, the 5th month of the year, M-A-Y spells May. Kids go out and play all through the month of May, 31 days of sunny fun, and then the month is done. And that is going to be our May song that we sing all through the month. So like I said, we started a new month, so this is our new calendar that we're going to be looking through. And this balloon right here starts the very first day of May. So if it's the first day of May, it's going to be the number 1. And this one's easy because we're right next to the day of the week. So we don't really need to circle it and go up to find the day of the week because it's right next to it. So on the 1st of May, we know that it is a Friday. Awesome. All right, so let's go over here. Days of the week. We said today is Friday. So we're going to come and find the word Friday. Bring it up to our line, Friday. Yesterday was, if today is Friday, yesterday, which is the day before, is Thursday. So yesterday was Thursday. Tomorrow will be, if today is Friday, tomorrow will be Saturday. Tomorrow is Saturday. All right, let's go up to the very top and read it with me. Today is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. I hope you were reading along with me. Today is, we said today is Friday. And the month, the month is no longer April, right? So I need to scroll down to look at the rest of our months. We need to find, we said M-A-Y spells May, M-A-Y spells May. The 5th month of the year, M-A-Y spells May. So we can look for M-A-Y, but in our song, it also says the 5th month of the year. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know right here, M-A-Y is May, and it's also, just like our song said, the 5th month of the year. So we can bring that up to complete our sentence. So it said, today is Friday, May, and here we need to write our number, and we know that it is the very first day of May. So we just write our 1. May 1st, 2020. All right, sing along with me. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. May 1st. May 1st. 2020. 2020. That's the date. That's the date. Very good. All right, how many days have we been learning at home? Well, we need to come add a cube to our tens frame in the one spot. So how many ones do we have? Right? We have 3. Oh, look at my pen. How special. Is that our magic pen? Uh-oh. I guess not. It's not going away. Okay, there's our 3. And then if we come to our tens place, how many are in our tens place? Also 3. Oh. Look at that, it changed. All right, well, we still have a 3, so that's okay. So we put a 3 in this. We need to bring this down to the line, don't we? And it's separated. We'll put it back together. There we go. All right, so we have a 3 in our tens place and a 3 in our ones place. So if we put our 30, because remember 10, 20, 30, 33. How many days have we been learning at home? 33 days. All right, now, how many days left of kindergarten? Well, we need to erase one of our days because we are counting down, remember? Counting down, so how many days do we have left of kindergarten now? 14. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy today? Well, if you look outside, what do you see? Oh my goodness, it's a beautiful, beautiful sunny day. I need to grab the sun and I need to find the word sunny. I don't see hardly any clouds in the sky, so I'm going to say it's just a sunny day. All right, let's graph sunny. Look, we have a new graph because remember, we are in a new month. So we're no longer graphing April weather. We are graphing May weather. So we need to add the very first type of weather that we have in May. And that is sunny. I hope we have all sunny days in May and it goes all the way to the top of our graph. Let's see what the temperature is today in Oakwood, Ohio. It is 59 degrees. So let's add 59. Let's write 59 right here. 5. Try and go all the way down to the line. Uh-oh. It's 5 and 9. Boys and girls, I am not actually using a pen to do this. I'm using my laptop. So sometimes my handwriting is not very pretty because it's extra tricky to do on my laptop. All right, so I wrote 59 and I made sure to label it degrees. 59 degrees, it's getting warmer. I'm hoping that it keeps getting warmer, like I said before, so we can hopefully go outside for a picnic. All right, what are the words? We have some new words. Underneath of our blue square is the word eat. E-A, when put together, says E, so we say eat. Eat. All right, below our green is a word that you've seen before. Remember, when we look at this word, if there's an E on the end, a lot of times that E is going to tell the A or the vowel to say its name. So in this case, the A right here is going to say its name, so it's going to say t, ache, take. And the purple is a new word. They. We've seen this one in our classroom though. This is up on our word wall. They. Okay, let's go ahead and read our sentences today. If we start at the top, have you ever been on a, sound out that whole thing, picnic. All right, so have you ever been on a picnic? We need punctuation at the end, and if you heard in my voice, I was asking a question. Have you ever been on a picnic? We need to make sure to add that question mark. All right, let's go to the second one. You can see if you can go today. You can see if you can go today. All right, this sentence needs some fixing. What do we want to start with? Well, if we look at the start of our sentence, we see that that Y right now is a digging Y. And if it's a digging Y, it's not capital. So we need to make sure to make it a capital Y. You can see if you can go today. I'm going to go ahead and put a period at the end of that sentence for their punctuation. All right, the next sentence. I like to take a big blanket to sit on. I'm going to keep going. I have more to my sentence. And that's one of those words that was underneath of our box. EA put together says E. So we can say eat and eat lunch or a snack. So that whole sentence says, I like to take a big blanket to sit on and eat lunch or a snack. All right, we need some punctuation at the end of this sentence. I think that this sentence is a good one to add just a period to. Okay? All right, and our very last sentence down here, we like to, remember that word, take the dog with us. And I put an exclamation point because I get so excited that we get to take our dog with us when we go on picnics. We like to take the dog with us. All right, I'm going to go to the next picture. And this is not our dog. These are pictures that I found on the internet, but this is a little doggy inside a picnic basket. And this little doggy is trying to eat all of their food in the picnic basket. Uh-oh. All right, friends, well, I hope that you have an awesome day today.